Yeah, it's 15th of September. All right.
Maybe I'll go back here.
Understood. Good afternoon, everybody. Salutations.
Good afternoon.
Airton, I expect a response from you too.
Hello.
All right. I'd like for both of you to be taking notes on this, so please put all of your devices away, including your Kirkified Lord Farquaad.
This is getting recorded.
Yeah, I know this is being recorded.
Yeah, go ahead.
Waiting for both of you to get ready. Are you both
I'm
ready?
so ready.
So here's what it's going to look like today. We're going to try to get through as much Romanian integration as I can. I will have my virtual notes right here. I'm sorry, I haven't yet gotten to memorization of my lecture. Airton, please stop it with the flailing about of your arms. It's very distracting. Again, as a decree, as a proclamation before each lecture, this is all original. None of this has been copied and pasted. Just to clarify, because I know that there were some lecturers who were doing that in the past. Sharia. Yeah, that's right. Sharia got dissed in my live stream during my lecture.
All right.
If he doesn't want to be dissed during my lecture, then he best show up.
Yeah, we'll have him watch this back.
All right. Let's get started with Romanian integration.
Romanian or Romanian?
Romanian, not Romanian. That's no.
Romanian.
Okay, I won't need my notes for this first one because this will just be introducing the subject to you, and I know the subject somewhat. So, how many of you recognize? Okay, whoa, what is that? I am so sorry.
Which of us?
How many of you recognize scenarios like this, where it asks you to find the area under
Is that
the
not just
curve?
like a cubic graph?
No, I'm not asking you to identify the graph. I'm asking you to find
The area under the curve.
let's call this delta.
Delta?
Find the area of delta. How many of you have seen a scenario like this before somewhere throughout your mathematical career?
I've
one of
never
them.
seen one.
One of us did.
Okay, yeah, Rishik, I know you haven't because you're in pre-calculus,
Yeah.
so you haven't gotten to integration just yet.
Yeah, I mean, I know what an integral is.
Are you a freshman?
At least in, yeah.
You're
Yeah.
I was a freshman last month.
But you haven't yet seen like integration scenarios you haven't applied.
No, not scenarios.
Okay. Well, how might one go about finding the area under the curve?
Take the integral of under the function, and then from the bounds A to B. Or,
That's the typical manner of integrating. But
Yeah.
some of you may have seen something like this, where you have strips.
oh yeah.
But that's not accurate. Is it?
Well, it is accurate. It's accurate to a certain degree. It depends on the width of your strips.
Yeah, so if you have really broad strips.
Allow me to finish this here. And this is not to scale. Are they coming back?
Yes.
Finally, you make it here.
He just,
Sit down.
he just learned like all of
Yeah.
Lotto to FLT and like.
Every time was messaging me how bad the lecture was and to wait. I'm not even kidding, I swear.
Yeah, so hasn't started the lecture, so
Hey,
that's not
James,
fair.
That's what I thought.
Wait, what's?
This is an introduction to Romanian integration. You should have heard of Bernard Raymond during Calculus 2 or Calc 1.
Can you, instead
Yes,
of doing
yeah.
Raymond, can you do the Lesbagoo integral instead?
Okay, your French pronunciation is so awful, I have no idea what you're talking about.
Lesbagoo, is that that guy?
Leipzig.
Lagrange error
Oh,
bound.
he's talking about.
Look,
I know he's French. He's German, right?
look, it'd be like.
No, hold
I'm
on.
gonna-
Jensen,
I'm
sit
gonna-
down.
Wait, no.
Jensen, you're
We're
here.
live.
Oh.
Sit down. Sharia, that goes for you two. Find your seat, get out of
Yes,
paper. I have had it up to here with you two. I'm going to start handing out notes if you're not more respectful. No, not banknotes, notes to your parents.
Banknotes? What?
Wait.
I'm
this is
kidding,
not-
I'm kidding,
You're
I'm
14
kidding.
right now?
My YouTube channel.
I'm 14.
You're 14?
I'm
Why?
14. How
When
many
is
years?
your 15?
I turned 15 next April.
Oh.
He's April. Ooh,
Wait.
not a problem solving
What?
birthday.
So you
Never
said you're gonna
mind.
give a note to my parents? I don't know if my parents would care about a note. When younger than me, though.
Oh, you're 15?
What?
I'm only 15.
Alright.
December.
Okay, whatever. Anyway, how many of you have seen a scenario like this, and how many of you know what this is?
It's
It's
an
a-
integral.
Yes, it's an integral, but that's not
It's
what we're
the area
discussing.
under the curve using right, well, we use a mix of left and right.
Yeah,
Right.
kind of sloppily drawn rectangle.
Okay, forgive my art.
Oh, that's far.
How many of you have seen something like this?
Me.
Okay, somebody raise their hand and tell me what this is, if you know.
The area.
Raise your hand. Sharia, it's a Raymond sum, okay? What would you do? What would you do next?
Well,
you saw
you
this.
gotta first take this, you gotta set a limit. As n approaches infinity, where n is intuitively the number of rectangles, they're gonna be there. And you can find you could set the width in the sum at least, you could set the width of the rectangle as b minus a divided by n,
Correct.
which is gonna be the width of each rectangle, and then you multiply that times the height, which is gonna be f of x, plus, I think it's gonna write down, it's gonna be f of a plus,
F of A
b
plus
minus
N.
a over n I times b minus a n, which is the width. And then you take the sum of I equals from 0 all the way to n, and you set the limit to n approaching.
That is correct. There is a more simple way to denote this. That is the full formula, and that's what you would do in standard calculus. But essentially, we reckon with a sum. Okay, I'm trying to draw the best sigma that I can. I swear to God.
Did you say sigma?
Yeah.
Putting 6, 7 is lesson 2.
Shut up. Shut up, Jason.
Where's alpha? I don't know.
Actually, it would be-
Wait till you learn about beta. Bro.
What?
Oh.
I think.
Wait, are the bounds from that from 4 to 1, or am I mistaken?
Wait a second.
This is the most rudimentary notation for this scenario that we could possibly utilize. This is just a sum of all of these strips, but it would be evaluated from A to alpha to beta. So we'd have a limit.
Jack's lessons are high fidelity.
Jensen, I swear to God, I'll throw you out of this classroom.
Whoa!
Violence?
Are you
Really?
aware?
That seems
Face
some
suppression is
Russian.
violence?
To the principal's office.
Are you aware of that vocabulary? The term fidelity.
Fidelity, yes. Faithfulness. Or like high fidelity audio.
Fidelity.
Just continue with the lecture.
Continue with the lecture.
You're on game only.
You need to work on your
Okay.
English.
You're one to talk with all of your grammatical errors.
Hey, you're on camera, by the way.
Yeah, I know I'm on camera. Hey, everybody on YouTube, Jensen has awful grammar.
No Jensen.
That's why I didn't take English. this year.
Everyone knows Jensen. What are you talking about?
No, like the live stream.
From everyone.
Everyone knows Jen Win.
Alright, Jack, you're like,
Okay.
how are you
Calling
not
this
done?
line f of x.
What have you guys
He's
been
been the whole time.
Absolutely
No, he's been the whole time waiting for you guys.
Exactly. We were just engaging in conversation.
Are you serious?
You were drawing
Chewing
something
chips
too.
in my ear.
We are what? What are we?
Jack, you have like,
5 minutes.
I'm gonna
Alright.
close the live stream down. soon.
yeah.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Jack, just hurry it up, bro.
I swear to God.
Can you draw that on the board instead? For sure, I can't see it.
I got you, bro. I can get it on the other board.
Nice.
This is
Is that
the
integral?
integral that we would derive
This is not
from
an
this
Not
scenario utilizing an interval
I'm paying attention to the
Alpha.
lecture.
to beta.
Yeah.
All of you know
Wait,
this.
is that alpha and beta? Wait, that's cool.
You've seen this, but you were probably told in standard calculus that this isn't the most efficient or precise way to integrate a function or to calculate the area under a curve. That is not entirely true. It is a shortcoming of standard calculus, which is built upon by real analysis. Remember when I defined real analysis as essentially building upon or constructing upon the shortcomings of standard
Yes,
calculus
yes.
last lecture? Well, this is another scenario similar to that. We did delta epsilon integration, or sorry, epsilon delta integration last class, but now we're going to cover something a bit more complex. It's needed for real analytic proofs though, so I just figured we'd do it for our first, or sorry, not first, second lecture. How much time do I have, Trey?
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
3? We go at 4:30?
Yes.
I told my parents 4:45.
I need to just like, I'm gonna go over something.
Yeah, I need to go though, so.
All right, moving on.
Let me see that.
Well, it's-
That's a good homework question for this then. Cause this doesn't seem that hard at all.
No, it's not, it's definitely not.
You
It's just hanging on the
Was that an open?
That is an introduction to Raman integration. Let's elaborate upon this a little bit more though. Let's take our same
The
interval
like 5, that's why I explained homework.
alpha, beta.
I mean, like, it depends on when my mom gets here, but. Yeah, I could.
Continue, Jack. Go ahead.
Take an interval alpha, beta
Okay, she's not here
on
yet, so.
the x-axis. Oh, actually, that's implied. Do I need to build upon this for you? Rishik, what are you doing?
My notes.
They're not your notes.
How do you know?
It's a picture of
Please go.
Charlie.
No,
It's a picture of AI Charlie Kirk as a rapper.
That's a different one.
Oh, is this something else?
You
now?
drew a picture of you, Jack.
Okay, whatever.
It's pretty
So
similar.
this is divided into n subintervals.
Jack doesn't wear glasses, what are you talking about?
Let's just listen now.
Thank you, Charlie.
You have 51 seconds.
40.
Thank you.
48.
And we'll use points x, 0, x1, so on and so forth until we reach some point in xn.
29. 28.
Jensen?
Amin? No, wait.
A mean group?
A what?
An amine group?
Oh, that's Thomas, I think.
15.
I can check.
14.
Just ask them.
It's weird though. Like after you called me, he said not trying to.
That's
Every
bad.
time
Nine.
someone who said tough. Every time you said tough.
You said something
About what?
in this?
Yes.
Oh, how do you spell your name?
AYR.
Alright. That's good.
That's game, right there.
Are you this?
Real quick, off video,
Yes.
just explain in like a few seconds what it
I'll
is.
try to like do the thing
Uh,
we shared.
just
so about it.
All of Raman integration, or what I
I
have?
got it.
Because this is only starting to get into an example.
Just this, what is,
This is just
That's such a
the
productive meeting.
scenario in full so that we can start.
okay, take picture of this, save this work, upload it to the group chat.
I should have run that for.
Jack.
We can
Actually, you know
start.
what? This lecture is hereby annulled. We'll redo this lecture next period.
It's going on YouTube.
Jack, are you, would you mind,